Hello there, it's Haley with the Armageddon Report. Gonna make this another short one. I tried to, that's what I always say. We've got several storms. We've got Ileana, we've got Isaac, who's now a tropical depression, but of course the rain problems continue with that storm. We've apparently got a 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation out there in the eastern Pacific. And we have Hurricane Kirk and Tropical Storm Leslie. Yes, that's what's going on right now. Over in the western Pacific, no more active storms, sorry. Tenbin is no longer being tracked. However, you can still see the spaghetti models. In fact, one of these might be Beloved spaghetti models, but probably not. No, it still says 15 WP. Anyway, there are two new areas of invest tropical disturbances, 91 WP and 92 WP out there. However, the latest JTWC outlook has not put any actual probability, it has not talked about those areas yet. So don't know the full story on those. Active weather hazards, of course, a whole lot of things related to former Hurricane Isaac. In fact, some tornado warnings going on. Red flag warnings up in these areas. This is the colour of the hydrologic outlook. Hydrologic apparently meaning water or something. I don't know. Severe thunderstorm-wise, it's quite, a reversal of things. Generally, like the highest percent is like wind and hail, and then tornado is very small. Today, though, 10% chance of tornado, 5% chance of severe winds, and apparently not really any hail expected. So let's take a look at the individual probability maps. So California even got something going on. So this would be the probability of winds that are 58 miles per hour greater. Hail, if there were something on the map, would be 1 inch or larger. And any sort of a tornado is considered a severe weather event in the United States. In New Zealand, that's not true. If it's just something, that's just a tiny one, we'll just ignore that one. But Mississippi has the 10% chance. So what that would mean is in this small-ish area, on a grand scale, when you consider how much like the 2% thing covers, that would mean that this random point in the 10% area, there's a 10% chance that that point or someone within a 25-mile radius of them will see a tornado today. So that is actually fairly high numbers. Generally, it's only like 2 and then sometimes 5. And of course, on tornado outbreak type days, it's like 45% for the huge events. That's when you start seeing 45. Tomorrow, we've got slight risk for 2 different areas. We've got, of course, the continuing threat from Tropical Depression Isaac, and then up here in the north. So yes, obviously something to keep an eye on, and obviously this is completely out of date now because we now know where Isaac made landfall. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. The old ones are here. The updated drought map is there. Let's see. So, I mean, that's actually kind of the good news in a way, as Isaac, with all of the water, could bring, what's the word, amelioration to some of the drought areas. I think that might be what they call it when you bring it down a notch. So you go from, like, for instance, exceptional drought, the worst kind, to extreme. I think that's what would be considered amelioration. It's not an end to the drought, but you made it better. Anyway, that's it for today. Yes, hope you enjoy whatever's going on for you and stay safe out there.